at an antiquarian bookshop.
Good afternoon. I've always wanted to explore an antiquarian bookshop abroad, and this place looks fascinating.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our shop. We're glad to have you. Is there something specific you're looking for, or are you just browsing?
I'm mostly browsing today. I love the idea of holding a piece of history in my hands. Do you have any recommendations?
Certainly. If you're interested in literature, may I suggest exploring our collection of first editions? They're right over here, and we have some rare gems.
That sounds wonderful. I'm particularly fond of classic literature. Do you have any first editions of Jane Austen's works?
Ah, Jane Austen, a fantastic choice. Follow me. We have a few first editions of Pride and Prejudice and Sense and Sensibility on this shelf. The pages are delicate, and you can see the craftsmanship of that era in the bindings.
This is incredible. I never imagined I'd have the chance to see a first edition up close. The cover feels different, and there's a certain charm to the typography.
It's a unique experience, isn't it? Those books have weathered time, and each one has a story to tell. If you have any questions or want more information, feel free to ask.
Thank you. What about something a bit more niche? I'm curious about early travel narratives or exploration accounts.
We have a whole section dedicated to that genre. Take a look at these volumes, recounting journeys from the 18th and 19th centuries. The descriptions are vivid, and the illustrations are captivating.
It's like stepping into another era. I can almost imagine the sense of adventure these explorers must have felt. Do you have anything related to polar exploration?
Indeed we do. There's a fascinating account by Sir Ernest Shackleton right here. His expedition to Antarctica is one of the most gripping tales of survival and determination.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. I think I've found a couple of treasures to take home. This has been a delightful experience.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. If you ever have more questions, or there's anything else you're searching for, don't hesitate to return. Happy reading!